If you have ever created a QR code, printed it, and then realized later that you needed to change the link, but you can't, you're stuck. That's the biggest problem with most QR code tools. But tools like GetQR fixes that with dynamic QR codes, tracking, and also customization. Hi, I'm Jason, and welcome to my GetQR review. In it, I'm going to be testing GetQR in real time, walk you through the platform, all of the features, pricing, and whether it is actually worth using for your business. By the way, I've included a link in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up and follow along. Let's dive in. And more importantly, I'll be showing you how to actually use QR codes for things like lead generation, events, and also marketing, not just basic links. Here's the short answer. GetQR is one of the easiest tools I've tested for creating customizable and trackable QR codes, but there are a few things you need to understand before paying. Once you have tapped on the link, you'll be redirected to the GetQR homepage, and you're going to tap on Create QR Code. Once you have done that, you have numerous options that you can choose from. You can choose to create a QR code for a website link, PDF, images, a digital business card, video, or app link, or Wi-Fi. You have numerous options that you can choose from. For this example, we'll be creating a QR code from a website link. So we're going to select website. After you have done that, let's say I want to create the QR code from ESPN. All I'll need to do is simply copy the website link and paste it right here. Then you can name your QR code. So I'm just going to be naming it Test QR, as you can see right there. Then you're going to tap on Next. And this is where you'll be able to customize your QR code. So first you could change the frame, so you can tap on frame. Let's say, for example, the frame style that I would like to use is, let's say, this one. I can select it. Then I can also change the color. So you can tap where you see the colors and you could change the color, as you can see right there. You can also tap on customization, and from there you can further edit it. By tapping across, you can change the different images, and scrolling down you could also change the QR text. So I could remove the text that is currently there, and let's say, for example, the text that I will be adding, I'll just be adding Test QR. As you can see right there, you can also change the text color, and you can scroll down, you can change the QR code color if you want. And if it is a case that you like to add an image, you can tap on logo and you could upload a quick image. Or you can select one of the preloaded logos that they have right here. Let's say I were to select this one, and you can also adjust the size of the logo by pulling along. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Download QR. After you have selected Download QR, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Once you have entered your email address, you're going to tap on I agree. Then from there, you're just going to tap on Continue. After you have selected Continue, you can see that because I've already registered, all I'll need to do is tap on Login, and just like that, my QR code is ready. Now I can choose how I would like to download it. You have numerous sharing options. So for example, I can download it via JPEG, PNG, or SVG. So you have numerous options that you can choose from. Let's say I were to select JPEG. All I'll need to do is tap on Download QR. And just like that, you can see right here, my QR code is now ready. After your QR code has been downloaded, let's say you would like to share it, but after you have shared your QR code, you realize that you would like to change the page link. All I would need to do is simply go back, and you're going to see your link right here. And by the way, this is where you'll be able to view the analytics. By going over to the left-hand menu option, you can tap on Statistics, and you'll be able to see how many persons have viewed your QR link and how many persons have scanned your QR link. You'll be able to see the devices that they have used, the countries they are located in, and so on. This gives you a full view of how persons are responding to your QR code. And if we were to go back to my QR codes right here, after doing that, I'm going to change the website link. So I could tap right here, Edit Website, and let's say I wanted to change it to another page. I could copy the link, go back, then all I'll need to do is simply paste the link right there. After I've pasted the link, I'll tap on Save Changes, and just like that, I've updated the link. So even if I had pasted the QR code, for example, on a flyer, or if I distributed it online, I would still be able to update it just like that. Now let's talk about the pricing. GetQR offers a 7-day trial for $1, and then you can choose between discounted plans depending on how much you use it. So for example, you have the quarterly option, which would be $29.99. You have the annual option, which you would pay $19.99 per month. So you have different options that you can choose from. It's pretty straightforward, but the real value depends on how you're using your QR codes. So in conclusion, is GetQR worth it? If you are using QR codes for business, marketing, or anything beyond basic use, then yes. The ability to edit links, track scans, and customize your codes makes it much more powerful than free tools. If you want to try it yourself, I've left a link in the description so you can test it out. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tools breakdown just like this. Thanks for watching.